A happy rainbow. One sunny day, a rainbow appeared in the sky. The rainbow looked very sad. Why are you sad? Asked the sun. I lost my color, said the rainbow. The sun smiled and said, let's find them together. First came red. Red said, I am strong and brave. Next came yellow. Yellow said, I am happy and bright. Then came blue. Blue said, I am calm and peaceful. Uh, Next was green. Green said, I help them grow. Last came purple. Purple said, I am kind and gentle. When all the color come back, the rainbow smile and feel happy again, said the rainbow. And the sky was filled with beautiful color and happy feeling. Bye.